Why, hello there. Today we look at 3 limited edition Omega watches from the Paris Olympics 2024. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. As of the time of the release of this video, it's all about the Summer Olympics, and Omega, as the official timekeeper of the event, is going to milk it dry. Let's start with CK859 as the Bronze Gold Edition. The watch's case is actually made from bronze gold, and not the Omega signature Sedna gold. The dial is silver, with a Close de Paris pattern. While discreetly nodding at the Olympics, this watch is pure old-school elegance. Just look at the vintage Omega logo. At HHN, we predict this limited edition might actually keep its value, as the precious metals actually elevate the classic design. Arguably, the golden leaf hands look even better than the blue ones on the stainless steel version. Just ignore the back, it is flat-out gaudy. Next up, we have a special Speedmaster chronoscope. Oh boy, that's what we call a busy dial. There's a telemeter and pulsometer scales on the dial, with a tachometer on the bezel, thrown for a good measure. While it won't be the king of legibility, with the scales running through the chronograph subdials, there's a nice touch of neatness with the applied numerals and gold leaf hands. You can choose between this stainless steel version and the moonshine gold one, complete with golden bracelet, at an eye-watering price of 61,500 euros. At least, in the stainless steel version, the back of the case is manageable. By the way, who can count all the limited editions of a Speedmaster? Drop us a comment below. Against the previous two, a Paris 2024 Seamaster's design seems a bit of low effort. Take a regular one, Gucci it up by adding a golden bezel, add special numerals on the date disc, and presto, now you can charge almost double the price of an SMP. What is it? Not enough exclusive, you say? Well, then make it available only in the Paris Omega boutique so people can trounce themselves on the run for it. But no matter how we ridicule it, people will still buy it. Should you? If you are a true Olympics aficionado, then by all means, those are great watches to begin with. Now with Olympics theme. For us at HHN we'll pass, except maybe that golden CK859, stunning. And we cross the finish line together again. Always appreciated. See you soon in the next one.